How to create account on Coursera. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account on Coursera. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for Coursera, and once you're inside your first website, simply click on it, which is the official website of Coursera.org, and simply click on this join for free button over here, and you will be heading over to this screen where you will have to enter your full name, your email or password and create your password, or you can also join with your using your Google ID or Facebook ID or Apple ID. So let me just fill up all the details over here. So once you enter all of your details, simply click on join for free button over here, and you will have successfully signed up to your Coursera account. So from over here you can simply customize your template and fill up all of these details just like this. And just like this, you will have successfully signed in to your Coursera account online. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.